Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syazwina Sofea binti Shahrazat, and in today's video, I will be explaining to you guys about how to create a student's class attendance sheet in Microsoft Word. So it is very easy. So let's get started. So firstly, you have to open Microsoft Word and click New and tap on a blank document. And then write a title for our document at the top of the page. So, because today we will be making a class attendance sheet, so I will be writing Daily Students Class Attendance Sheet. Then you need to select the Insert tab and select on Insert Table. Next, insert 10 in the number of columns and 22 in the number of rows, because this is for the case of total of 20 students. So the number of rows can be changed depending on the number of students in the class. So if you got 30 person in the class, you have to insert 32. Once you have the table ready, insert number at the first column of the first row, and then followed by name and date for the first three columns, while you have to write reason of absence in the last column. And then select the third until the seventh of the column of the first row, and then right click it and tap on the merge cells. So now you have 4 columns. And then select the first row by dragging the cursor from the first column of the first row until the end, and tap on Align Center so that the word can be aligned at the center of the table. It will be looking more neat and proper. For those who don't know, we can also change the letter case of the word by selecting the AA, this one, on the home page, on the home tab, and choose the option uppercase. And just like that, you can change all of the word into the uppercase letter. So the next step is select the first and the second rows of the first column, which is have the number, and choose merge cells, the same as before. And then you have to do the same thing for the second rows of the second column, which is this one, the name. And don't forget to do the same for the first and the second rows of the last columns, which is the reasons of absence. So then you have the merge cell. So I am doing this because I want to save the space for the second rows below the date, so that we can write on the date later and not interrupt the other rows. In the Microsoft Word, you can also delete the rows or the columns that you don't want anymore. So here I am selecting these 2 columns and select delete cells. Don't worry about the uneven table, because we can correct it back just by dragging the table, the column that you want to make it right, and then just drag it. Next, I am dragging the table to the desired size of the column. So for the date, I let the date column to be small while the name one are a bit longer because you have to fill in the name later on. Next, just fill in the name of the students by pasting them, and then select align left so that it will be aligned at the left of the table. Then you can also change the line spacing to wherever you want, but I prefer to choose 1.5 so that it will be more proper and I will have a neat table. After that, you have to key in the numbers of the students by writing it 1 until 20. Then select the first row and select align center, this one, so that it will be at the center. So by that, we have finished our class attendance table. So this is the final result of our table. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this video helps you a lot for making a class attendance sheet in the Microsoft Word. Thank you.